This video, guys, I will show you how to create a community on Roblox. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Open Roblox like this first, and after that you have to go and click here on more. So after that you should go and click on here on communities, and as you can see right now on this list, I am already on this community and I want to create a new community. Click create here and it's going to take you to another page. Select a name, for example it's in app, and description, for example, and select image for profile, and here the privacy, if anyone can join on manual approve, click here, and when you finish, guys, click here, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.